Why is my Angular dynamic OL not applying styles while static one does? When developing applications with Angular, you might encounter a situation where your dynamic OL list fails to apply the specified styles, whereas your static list does so without issues. This can be a perplexing problem, but understanding the root causes and potential solutions can help you ensure consistent styling across both static and dynamic lists in your application. Understanding Angular rendering. Angular is a powerful framework for building dynamic web applications. It allows developers to create components and templates that can dynamically render data. However, this dynamism can sometimes introduce unexpected behaviors, especially when it comes to applying styles. Static versus dynamic content. A static list is defined directly in the template without relying on component data or logic to render its items. In contrast, a dynamic list is populated based on data provided by the component's logic. Here's a basic comparison. Static ordered list. Dynamic ordered list. In the dynamic example, items is a variable in the component's TypeScript code that holds the list's elements. Common reasons for styling issues. Several factors could contribute to your dynamic OL not applying the expected styles while the static one does. Component lifecycle and change detection. Angular's change detection mechanism might not immediately apply styles to dynamic content. Ensuring data binding updates correctly can be crucial. CSS specificity. The specificity of CSS selectors might cause certain styles to apply only in some contexts. It's possible that the dynamic content needs more specific selectors or styling adjustments. Order of application. Ensure that all styles are applied after the content has been rendered. You might need to rely on Angular's lifecycle hooks, such as after viewinit, to apply styles correctly. Encapsulation and scoping. Angular components use view encapsulation by default. This encapsulation can sometimes cause scope issues for styles. Considering using host, ol&gt, or changing encapsulation mode could be helpful. External style sheets. If you're using external style sheets or frameworks, example Bootstrap, ensure they don't override your custom styles or interfere with dynamically generated content. Solutions and best practices. Use Angular lifecycle hooks. Ensuring that your styles are applied after Angular's content rendering can help. The ing after viewinit hook can be beneficial. Increase CSS specificity. Make your CSS selectors more specific to target dynamic content effectively. Check view encapsulation. Adjust the encapsulation if needed. You can disable it by setting view encapsulation none in your component decorator. Apply styling dynamically. Use Angular's renderer 2 or direct element manipulation if specific styling needs to be applied during runtime. By understanding these common issues and implementing the respective solutions, you can ensure your dynamic OL applies styles consistently and blends seamlessly with your application's static content.